Look at this kitchen.
Wow.
Now I want you to take a moment, because what you're looking at is not just a place to cook. This is a fully custom, chef-grade, architecturally designed culinary space built to the exact same standard as every other room in this $170 million estate. And when Ferris Rafauli designs a kitchen, it looks like this.
Wow.
Let's start with what I'm standing behind right now. This island is not granite, it is not quartz, it is not marble. This is rare green gold onyx,
Wow.
one of the most expensive and difficult to source natural stones on earth. The entire base is hand-fluted, every single vertical groove carved by craftsmen and backlit from within so the stone glows from the inside out. At night, this island becomes a light source.
Wow.
The veining in the onyx lights up like something alive. The countertop surface is a thick slab of the same onyx waterfall edge, flowing straight down on both ends with a brushed gold faucet sitting at the prep sink on the right side.
Wow.
This island alone would be the centerpiece of any multi-million-dollar home. Here, it is where you sit for breakfast. Now look at what's directly behind me. That is the range hood.
Wow.
But calling it a range hood is like calling the Sistine Chapel a painted ceiling. Rafauli sculpted the entire cooking wall from the same onyx stone, carving a grand rounded arch that frames the hood, the backsplash, and the open display shelving into one seamless architectural statement.
Wow.
The arch is lit from within, warm amber light tracing the curve from top to bottom, making the stone glow against the warm walnut wood paneling surrounding it on all sides. The open shelves on both sides of the hood display fine white porcelain, and those crystal pendant lights hanging like petal-shaped flowers on either side of the arch. Custom, one of a kind, designed specifically for this room. You feel me? Even the light fixtures in this kitchen are bespoke. Remember what Rafauli said about noble materials? No stucco, no paint, no synthetic finishes. Every surface in this kitchen earns its place. The walls are paneled floor to ceiling in rich, warm walnut wood, the same millwork language used throughout this entire estate. The arched glass cabinet doors on the right with fluted glass inserts and brass hardware that is a butler's pantry built directly into the wall.
Wow.
The floor beneath us continues the herringbone travertine limestone pattern that runs through every corridor and room of this home. Everything is connected. Every material was chosen to speak to every other material in the space. This is what generational craftsmanship looks like.
Wow.
Now step back and look at the full picture. This kitchen does not end at the island. It opens directly into a casual dining and breakfast area.
Wow.
A separate dining table with its own sculptural chandelier, surrounded by floor-to-ceiling arch windows looking straight out to the palms and Biscayne Bay beyond.
Wow.
Amazing. So picture the morning routine in this home. You wake up on the second floor primary suite. You walk down that grand spiral staircase through the foyer. You come into this kitchen, you sit at that island, and your view is palm trees, open water, and the Miami sunrise.
Wow.
And just to the side, a sculptural abstract lounge chair sitting on an organic area rug, because even the transition space between the kitchen and the breakfast area has furniture that belongs in a gallery.
Wow.
This is not a home where any corner was forgotten, not a single one. And we still have not seen the private cinema, the hidden library passageway. This estate keeps going. Let's keep moving.